Okay, hello everyone, it's Josh. This is going to be a tutorial and a little introduction into Albia's ticket system and what the ticket system allows you to do if you're having computer problems or network problems or any sort of IT issue. This is how you can submit a work order to me so I can have a look at it. Allows me to queue things in priority and check things off the list, and also allows me to communicate with the end users, being the teacher or staff. Allows us to communicate back and forth on the status of the request that you put in. It's pretty simple to use. You will use your Albia domain login to log into the ticket system, which is your first name dot last name and then your domain password. So for the Mac users who don't use the domain very often or haven't used it yet, we'll have to get that set up for you. I imagine there'll be a little bit of resetting passwords for some of the Mac users. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. So to access the ticket system, you'll open up a web browser and navigate to the school's web page, which is of course albia.k12.ia.us. And under the staff heading, you'll go down to Service Desk, which is right here, 3/4 the way down. Click on it. Now, to log in, like I said, you'll need your domain login, first name dot last name. I'm going to use test teacher and type your password in. But of course, you guys will use your own logins. I think that's the password. We'll see. Yes. And it brings you to this page, and this is a server that we host within our network. It's called the K1000 server. It's a really nice piece of kit, and one of the things it does is provides a service desk or a ticket desk. So, and it default loads to the service desk tab. There's some other tabs. You can look at your computer. It'll give you your computer name, and this isn't something that you're going to use very often, if at all, but of course I use it. But for the more advanced users on our network, it'll tell you some good information about the computer that you're on or that you logged into the ticket system with. So when you load up to the service desk, you want to create a new ticket, click on New. And you'll type in a title, and let's just have a scenario that, well, what should we do? So you're not able to log in to Gmail. So we'll, maybe the title will be able to log in to, I'll learn how to spell here real quick. So after you have your title in, you'll click down here and the impact. Now this is kind of important. If you're not able to log into Gmail and you see that other people are, it's going to be a local issue to you. And since that Gmail is pretty imperative to your work day, and it's your access to it kind of dictates whether you can do a lot of things, which check your email, I would click for this one person can't work, which is you. Now if it's a minor inconvenience, let's say your projector bulb's getting dim and but the class is still able to use it, maybe it's you're inconvenienced. Now if the whole network's down, you're probably not able to send me a ticket via the ticket system, so I'll get the phone call. But for a scenario where maybe Gmail's not working for everybody, well then a lot of people can't work, or so on and so forth. But I'm sure you guys are capable of determining what the priority is. And what this allows, by setting this up, it prioritizes it in my queue. When I'm sitting here looking at 20 tickets, it'll put the many people can't work right up there at the top. So that's the first thing that I tend to, and it allows my day to be a lot easier and allows the network to run a lot smoother. So one person can't work. And here you'll just type in general comments, or give me as much information as you can. Now I understand that some of these are going to be pretty short and sweet because up in the title it pretty much explains the problem. But if there's other information that you see pertinent to the issue, please go ahead and type it in. So I'm just going to type in see title, and if there's an attachment, let's say that you're unable to open an attachment, you can forward the attachment to me and I can look at it there. And there's a category, And this is going to be a network issue, I'd say. We'll hit save. That's pretty much it. On my end of things, I am able to go in and add comments just like you. But if you'd like to add a comment or you had an afterthought, you can always click on that. And then the comments that I add will show up below here, and you can always click on my name and see what I have to say, and hopefully I can give you a timeline. If I'm not able to get to it right away, I'll give you a timeline, maybe when you can expect to see it, or if I ordered the part, let's say your projector bulb's dim, and I went ahead and ordered the bulb, I'll type a comment in that says, well, bulb is ordered and it's on its way, and as soon as it gets in here, I will take care of things. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free and don't hesitate to get a hold of me, and we'll go over some other things. Thanks, and have a good day.